Welcome back to another lesson. In this lesson, we're just going to get these notifications that we had before and put them up here. Okay, so first things first, you want to come into here, because this takes a few minutes to load. Come into your rules, and then pretty much you can copy this one, paste it down here, change it to notifications, and notification, like so it matches in here, notifications, and then the wildcard one, notification. So do this, allow read. I'm not sure if you have to allow write, but mine's working fine, so just allow read should do you. So do that. Okay, so after you've done that, come into the project. First step, dashboard. We want to come into Firestore Connect. Go collection, add this in, collection notifications. Limit can be whatever you choose, but like this. And then map state the props. So you want to get that from the states, match it to the props. So if you did a console log, you'd see under state.firestore.ordered.notifications, you'd have all your notifications there. So do that here, add that in here, and then we want to get that from the props by coming up here, adding it in here, and then we're going to create this property on notifications and pass it down. So notifications equals notification. So once you've done all this, come into your notifications thing. You're going to add, gives a way to access it in the props from here. Notifications. Okay, then all this here is what we're doing. So you want to get rid of all your list items and do this. So notifications and that means checking if we have notifications, and then if we do, we're going to map them out. So if there's notifications, it's not going to pass this bit of code here. So I'm going to check if we do, and then if we do, we're going to map them out like so. You have to add the key into the list item, otherwise you're going to get an error. Okay, so the first thing you'll see here, got the username, new post, and then the date. So come back to here, have a span. This can be pink text, it can be whatever you want. This is all Materialize CSS, this blue and pink. So we'll just go call item. You can actually name this notification, but I just like to simplify it a bit. Item, so you access item.user, which is in the database. So we got content, time, user. So access those by going item.id, item.user, item.content, etc. I put the space in here because if you don't, these appear right next to each other. So I say space them out a bit, and I also add this another div with a break in it to space them around the page, which isn't good coding, but it did the job for this. So then you're going to item.time, and you're going to get an error if you don't add toDate and then toDate string. So I hope this will make sense. It's adding the user title, user content, and then the time. So for each notification, just mapping through and giving us one. So I think we limit it to 2 or 3. Limit to 3. So we're going to have 3 of them. So it's going to map through all 3. For each 3, we're going to get a list item containing all this, put it on the page, map through again, another one. So we have 3 of them, and that is it. So, hope that all makes sense to you. If it doesn't, put in the comments below. Check all your stuff. So mine's a bit all over the place, but I should be able to see in the console. You got a Firestore, ordered, notifications, and then see it's got 3. So basically we're accessing those and putting one there. So once again, if anyone's unsure, coming in dashboard, need to add in the notifications bit here. So connecting to notifications through Firestore Connect, and then we're getting the state Firestore to connect and going to the props by calling notifications equaling it to this, which showed you in the console log. Once you've done that, come up here, create a variable to access, and then we're going to pass it down into notifications. Come up here, const notifications equals the props, and then we're mapping through each one and then placing them on the screen.